Hello, good morning. Okay, yes, I know my hair is like this. I'm gonna take it down, but currently I am actually on my way to Colorado. I decided to full send this trip last minute. I'm gonna put my 2 weeks in at my job, so I decided to take a week vacation, and then I'm gonna solo dolo to Colorado. Check it out. I am going to be arriving there around like 2:37. I've got like 3 hours and 30 see it, but I don't know if that's a fucking. Once I hit New Mexico, it'll be mountain. Made it to Colorado. I am getting gas and I am actually gonna stop by right over there. It's a dispensary. So yeah. Arrived at Garden of the Gods. And here, pretty, oh my goodness. I'm gonna explore for a little bit. Ooh. And I'm really out here. The total yoga sesh. Quit flying around me. Okay, take two. But we are, well, I am gonna try one. Let me see.